Hey. So listen, it's your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess. I wanted to do this video because I just did a video on Wednesday saying that I was going to do updates on my YouTube channel twice a week. And this is the second video update, which is today. It's Christmas and it's Sunday. And I was supposed to have this video pre-recorded, already done, but so much has happened since I made the last video, and then I was supposed to do it earlier today on Christmas, and just here we are. It's like 10 something, and I found myself, with just a little bit of time to make this video so that I can get it uploaded before midnight, sticking to my word of getting it done today. So I just wanted to kind of give an update for where we're headed into this coming week as we are approaching the last week of December 2022. So a lot has happened today. I spent today visiting family and friends, and then right at the end of the day, my son was in a car accident, and we are very thankful that he's still here. And so I just came in from picking him up at the hospital, and he is upstairs resting. I want to talk about what's to come this week. So my very first day of working out last week, my back was hurting me really, really bad, and I wasn't able to work out the rest of the week. So I took last week off. And so this week we're starting at the very beginning of the week on Monday. I definitely will be working out Monday. I know I'm not working out Tuesday. And then my goal is to work out for the remainder of the week. Not sure if I'm working out on Saturday or not. I will be sharing some things with you that I'm doing in my business on the next update video. I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys on what you want to see me talk about. What do you want to hear? What exactly in regards to your mindset, changing your lifestyle and your life, as well as growing your money and your Bitcoin, do you want to know? Those are the main things that we talk about on my channel. There's lots of different umbrellas in the lifestyle category that I talk about, from travel to family dynamics to eating healthier, getting healthier, living a healthier lifestyle. Those are the different things. And so I really didn't get a chance to plan what I want to talk about in this video, but I do look forward to having a more updated video on Wednesday. I know tomorrow, Monday, the 26th, I'm going to be making some changes to my vision board and doing some goal setting as we head into 2023. And I want to encourage you to do the same. So if you're watching this video and you have not planned out any kind of goals that you want to reach as we're heading into 2023, right now is the perfect time to do it. You want to at least have 5 to 7 goals that you want to reach before December 31st, 2023. And you want to set some, like, what do you need to accomplish whatever specific goal it is? Like, what are the steps that you need to take to accomplish that goal? So that's starting out something that you can do if you don't have any kind of game plan set. What do you want to accomplish next year? What are 5 to 7 goals that you want to accomplish? Do you want to grow in your money? Do you want to grow in your career? Do you want to grow in specific relationships? Do you want to grow your mind more? What areas do you want to grow in? So I'm not going to make this video. I think it's what I wanted to keep it under 5 minutes. I'm going to share some clips from today. I did not record as much as I wanted to because I literally visited, I think, 4 places. I went to my mom's. I visited with both of my grandmothers. I thank you, God, that I still have both of my grandmothers. And I visited with a friend, and then my son was in an accident, and then I had some things planned, and my timing is off. So I did get this video done. The thing of the matter is, you have to make sure that you just do. It doesn't matter if it's perfect. I didn't have the time to properly plan for this video. Guess what? I did not allow that to stop me from making this update video. So that's some of the things that, I want to share with you. It's better to be done than for it to not be done. So with that being said, I want to thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to my channel. Make sure you subscribe. Any of my videos that resonates with you or anyone that you may know, please share. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you comment if there's anything that you want to know or want me to make videos on. And do join my Facebook group, because it's time to make some changes in 2023, not only in your life, but in some other people's lives as well. I want to help inspire and empower and push you, into the greatness that is already inside of you. Help you tap into that greatness, right? That is what my objective is. And so with that being said, I thank you for still watching. I hope you got some kind of value out of this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Merry Christmas. I hope that your day is filled with much love, peace, happiness, joy, and that you are spending it with those that you love the most.